Smiley Palette. Hi little artist, welcome back to Smiley Palette. Today we are going to learn how to draw some fun shapes and color them in. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's draw a heart. Start with a small V shape. Then draw a big curve from one side of the V to the top. And another big curve from the other side of the V to the top. And there you go, a lovely heart. Next, we'll draw a square. A square has 4 equal sides. Start by drawing one side. Then draw 3 more sides to connect them into a square. Perfect! You made a square. Now let's draw an oval. An oval is like a stretched out circle. Start by drawing a shape that looks like an egg. Great job! You did it! Time to draw a circle. A circle is round and has no corners. Start at one point and go all the way around until you meet the start. Great job! That's a nice circle. Let's draw a rectangle. A rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Start by drawing 2 long sides, then a short side, and finally the last short side to connect them. Well done! You made a rectangle. Finally, let's draw a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Start by drawing 2 lines from the ends of the base that meet at a point above the base. Excellent! You have drawn a triangle. Now, let's make our shapes colorful. You can use any colors you like. I'll start with the oval. I'll color it blue. What color will you use? Paint with me. Great job! Next, I'll color the square green. You can pick your favorite color. I like drawing. Do you like it too? Great job! For the heart, I'll use red because hearts are often red. What color will you choose? Paint with me. You are doing amazing! The circle will be yellow for me. You can use any color you want. Great job! For the rectangle, I'll use orange. What's your favorite color for the rectangle? Paint with me. Great job! I'll color the triangle purple. What color will you make your triangle? Paint with me. Wow! Look at all the beautiful shapes we have drawn and colored. You did an amazing job, little artist. Thank you for drawing and coloring with me today. Show your artwork to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time, little artist. Bye.